The National Student Financial Aid Scheme, NSFAS, is a South African government funding body that provides financial support to eligible students who cannot afford tertiary education costs. Every year, thousands of students apply for NSFAS to cover tuition fees, accommodation, meals, books, and other allowances. Nsfas online application portal 2026 is created and open for all interested applicants irrespective of color, race, ethnic identity, religion, gender, or national origin, provided they qualify for the funding program for which they have applied. To qualify for NSFAS funding in 2026, applicants must meet the following requirements. Be a South African citizen. Have a combined household income of R350,000 or less per year, R600,000 for students with disabilities. Be applying or already studying at a public university or TVET college. Must have a valid email address and cell phone number. Must have an accepted or provisional admission letter to a public institution of higher learning. Before applying online, make sure you have scanned or certified copies of the following documents. South African ID document or Smart ID card. Parents/guardians ID or death certificate if deceased. Proof of household income, payslip or affidavit if unemployed. SASA card or proof if applicable. Matric certificate or latest academic results. University/TVET college admission letter. Disability Annexure A form if applicable. How to apply online for NSFAS 2026. Follow these steps to apply. Visit the official NSFAS website, www.nsfas.org.za. Click on the My NSFAS portal and create an account, if new. Log in with your username and password. Select Apply and complete the online form. Upload all required documents. Submit your application and wait for a reference number. Keep your reference number safe. It's used to track your application. If this video helps you, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more updates on scholarships, universities, nursing, colleges, bursaries, learnerships, careers, internships, jobs, and study opportunities.